If you have one of these older Briggs and Stratton storm responder generators, um, and you're looking for a carburetor, you're probably familiar with the struggle that I just went through trying to find the original part number. All of the parts databases for this generator have no listings for any of the engine parts. The engine, I don't know why, but it's difficult to find the parts based off the engine model number that go for this engine, which I really rarely ever run into this, so it was kind of perplexing. However, if you want a new, not China, Briggs carburetor for this, you look at the carburetor, that your old carburetor, there's some markings, Nicky, obviously Briggs and Stratton logo, and then up here, there's actually a couple of numbers stamped in it. None of the numbers that are stamped in it are the actual Briggs and Stratton part number. So again, that adds to it being a little bit challenging to figure out. However, this is the correct Briggs and Stratton part number to replace. 591378. If you want one, if you're looking for one, I will put a link in the description. It took me quite a while to figure this out. I'm glad that I did, because this thing I purchased a couple of years back. Someone had purchased it during Sandy, and it hadn't run since. So I cleaned the carburetor. I got it running. It's just, it takes a little coercion to get it started. The rare occurrences that I need it. Regardless of draining the carb, storing it with stabilizer in it, it don't matter. So now it'll be nice to have a fresh start. I will put the link in the description. As I mentioned, it comes with new gaskets, a new rod, obviously assembled carburetor, and various different choke levers depending on your particular setup.